If Sling TV is running slow or crashing, clearing the cache can help. The steps depend on your device. On most streaming devices or smart TVs, go to Settings, then find Apps or Applications, scroll to Sling TV, and select it. Choose Clear Cache and, if available, also Clear Data. This won't delete your account, it just refreshes the app. On a Fire TV stick, for example, go to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications, Sling TV, then select Clear Cache. On mobile devices, like Android, go into Settings, Apps, Sling TV, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. For iPhone or iPad, there's no direct Clear Cache option. Instead, delete the app and reinstall it from the App Store. After clearing the cache, reopen Sling TV and sign in again. That should fix most issues. Thanks for watching.